In this video, I'm going to show you how to fit cruise control to a Mark III Scirocco. Take it away.
Now we're going to take off the airbag. All you need to do is turn it to the side. There's a gap in the back. Just get a small screwdriver in there just to pry it open. You've got two of these. And disconnect the airbag connector and the steering wheel connector at the bottom there. These are the clips that you've just moved out the way. Next, you're going to want to make sure that the steering wheel is facing straight ahead, as straight ahead as you can get it. And then you're going to need to undo the M12 bolt in the middle there. Just again making sure that that is dead ahead. And then pull the steering wheel off towards you. Next you need to push the top cover upwards. I find it easier just getting a small screwdriver again in the gap and just levering it up. That'll expose a couple of Torx bolts, so just undo them. And again, same size underneath, just next to the adjustment handle. And remove the key. Pull the covers away from each other and take the bottom one right off. So at the bottom of the assembly you can see the steering control unit. All you need to do is undo the little Torx screw. Through the gap at the bottom you can see a small clip. All you need to do is lever that clip and pull the control unit down. Now there's another little clip behind the stalk, so just get a small screwdriver in there just to push that clip out of the way. And also at the back of the stalk there's another clip, so again just a small screwdriver in the back, small screwdriver down the side, and you should be able to pull it out. And simply push the new one in place. No need for any screwdrivers, it literally just pushes in until you can hear it click. push that control unit back up again. Just make sure you've got the clock spring in there, or the slip ring. Back on with the steering column covers. Literally just the same as removal. Make sure you've got the trim that goes around the key in there nicely. Just a little rubber trim. I always make sure that when I'm screwing this back in that I'm pushing it back as far as I can, just to make sure that once it's attached it's not rubbing on the steering wheel. Back on with the steering wheel, making sure it's in that dead ahead position that you left it in. And then the airbag just pushes back into place. No need for screwdrivers anymore. Just make sure you plug them connectors back in. Back on with the ignition, just test to make sure that the horn works, make sure that the indicators work and that they cancel out when you turn to the side and then back again. And that's the installation done. And there's the coding that you need to make sure that it works.